Model A time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1931 Ford Model A Coupe. As you can see, rumble seat car. Gray over black. Riding on the wide whites. Now, of course, this car is powered by an inline four-cylinder. Will be the 201 cubic inch. That's what these would have came with when they were new in 31. That is paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, interior, underside of this car, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. This particular car is all steel with the exception of the front and rear fenders. Those are glass. Take a look at the condition. Front bumper does show its age a little bit. Still a nice car. Parades, some Sunday drives, going to your local cruise-ins or roll-ins. Has been incorporated with the blinkers up on the cowl lights. Those are the blinkers. Gas shutoff on this one is actually under the hood, and we're going to check that out here just shortly when we fire it up and start it. And I'll pull the hood up on each side and check out the engine bay. Interior, kind of period correct styling with the mohair, bent seat, gauge cluster. Does have a vinyl seat back here in the rumble area. Of course, the steps we're getting up into the rumble seat. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Happy to help you out with any of those. Rear mounted spare tire. Now, as far as the color on this, it's kind of called a battleship gray, or kind of a gray and black combination here. There are some imperfections in it. Maybe see where there's been a little bit of previous work. Paint's a little older, but the nice thing about that is that kind of gives you, again, kind of that era correct look. When you got a 31 more stock looking Model A, sometimes when the paint's too flashy, it kind of looks out of place on the car. All right, let's check out the interior. Then I'm going to pause this a second. I want to get the hood open. Now, this has been converted to a 12-volt system, which we're going to see when we get underneath the hood also. So again, kind of your mohair door panel with the storage area in the doors. As you can see, it doesn't appear the seats, all the rips, tears, pulls, anything like that. Just what you'd expect inside of a Model A to look like. There's your 3-speed shifter on the floor there. This is a starter button in this one. I tell you what, let's go ahead and pause this a second. I'm going to get the hood open, start it up. So here it run, check out the engine bay. All right, got the hood open and up on the holders. Does have on both sides. All right, see an alternator there. So 12-volt conversion. Also appears it has a new headlight switch in it, because of course that's running down through the steering column as far as turning the headlights on and off. Components for the 12-volt and going to the starter. Now this vehicle also has a new battery, new points, new fuel filter. So it actually came out of a collection. This was in storage for 7-8 years. Went through a few things on it. Other than that, fired right up. You can tell it has been taken care of. It appears there's newer exhaust gaskets on it. Also, if you look in a picture of the engine online, it looks like head gasket is newer. And you can take a look at that, see what you think of it also. Here is the gas switch. I'm going to turn that on. Of course, it's gravity fed from the tank. Come around here and let's start this up again so you can hear it run, and we'll check it out a little bit. All right. Ignition on. I'm not going to have to choke it, but there is the choke over here, of course. See, it starts. All right, there you go. Fired up, idling right along. By the way, the Ooga horn does work on it from the horn button on the steering wheel. There you have it. Model A is still pretty popular. 1931 Ford. I wonder if I hit that gas the wrong way. I did turn the gas switch back the other way. I'm gonna go switch that and make sure we have it the right way. Let's check it out.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, under closer inspection, it stays off right on the side of there. So when this is turned that way, it is off. I've got it open back up now. Just wanted to show for future reference on this one, because that gas valve shutoff is a little bit different. Usually they're underneath the dash in these on the inside, but I'll let it run here a little bit so you can see. That's why it died out on us before it actually turned the gas off to it. So now we know which way's off and on that gas valve. So again, 1931 Ford Model A. Nice looking coupe, rumble seat. Been converted to 12 volts. Ready to go. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. You can check out the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with the transportation of this vehicle. Look forward to hearing from you.